Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the old VoiceForge voices back, and that's going to include voices like Kidaroo, Wiseguy, French Fry, and all the other ones that you couldn't get back on Cepstral with those old voice packs. First things first, before we get into the tutorial, I just want to take a minute to say how excited I am to be making this tutorial and this video in general for you guys to get these voices back, considering I've been waiting for the day that either myself or someone else would find a way to get these old voice packs back and then find a way for everyone to enjoy them. As much as I love, voices like Kidaroo and Wiseguy, the newer ones, they're just not nearly as good as how the legacy versions were. So very excited to show this to you guys. That way you guys can get the older versions of the voices back. One last thing before we get into this tutorial. I think someone told me in a comment that there was a user that emailed VoiceForge, or the creators behind the voices, asking them for the voice packs for the older versions. I don't know exactly who that user was, but if I could get a comment from someone saying who that is and everything like that, I'd like to give that respected user credit for the work that they did to get these older voices back for all of us to enjoy. So if you happen to know who it is, please let me know in the comments. I would like to give credit to them. Anyways, we're now going to get into the tutorial. So what you're going to want to do is open Flash Themes. Now Flash Themes is a program that you have to use on an older browser because it does use Adobe Flash Player, and the only way to use it, obviously newer browsers and the newer versions of Chrome and everything like that, Adobe Flash Player is no longer supported, as it was the updates were discontinued about a year or two ago. So you're going to want to make sure that you have an older version. I'm using an older version of Chromium, and you'll want to use that as well, or something like that. I think there's also Firefox as well, like an older version of that you can use as well. If you don't have Flash themes, I'll link a video in the description to show you how to get Flash themes set up, because you will have to download, like I said, an older version of a browser that does have Adobe Flash. Anyways, when you're on Flash themes, sign into your account. If you don't have an account, create an account. It is free, and it will allow you to access the video maker, which will allow you to use the voices. So what we'll do is we'll go to make a video, and then we're just going to do it from scratch, and we'll just open Comedy World, and it'll say no Flash player detected for a second, but then the Flash player will load, and then the video player and creator will start to open up as well. And just got to wait a few seconds for it to load, and then essentially all you got to do is just throw a character onto the screen and then hover over to dialogue, and under the dialogue options you'll be able to find two versions of the VoiceForge voices. You'll have the newest one and the legacy version, which is one of the older ones. So let's quickly find a character to drop in. We'll use PC Guy because he's kind of a legend. We'll go to dialogue and we'll do text to speech. So it's got all the voices. Then, for example, right here you got Kidaroo and Kidaroo Legacy. If we do Kidaroo Legacy, we can type in this, and we'll hit generate, and you guys will be able to hear the older version of Kidaroo's crying voice. So let's go ahead and do that real quick.
What?
And there you guys have it, just like that. There's old Kidaroo crying. Another thing we can do is we'll do ha 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 ha. You guys will be able to hear this as well. The way he says ha 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 in the older version as opposed to the newer version. So here we go. And then real quick, I'll let you hear the newer version just for comparison. So here's new Kidaroo. And there you guys have it. So they got that. They got Kevin, Wiseguy's down here as well. And I know a lot of people are going to be very excited to use the legacy version of Wiseguy. I've gotten so many comments on my video where I showed you guys how to get the old voices on Cepstral for David and all those other voices and everything like that. A lot of people were wanting Wiseguy. So this is for you guys. Have a field day with it and enjoy. We'll do GRRR, and let's go ahead and generate that and let you guys hear Wiseguy. His old crying, or not crying, his old angry voice. Here we go. Then we could even, I guess we'll sample, we can do French fry real quick as well. French fry is one of my other favorite voices as well. So we'll just navigate up to French fry, and we can do, yeah, let's just do GRRR as well. And there you guys have it. There's French fry, and actually, sorry, that was the newer version. Clearly, I can't read. Let's do the older version. So, I guess we'll do this for comparison as well. You guys can hear. Which there really isn't that much of a difference between old and new. The only difference is that he says the R's a lot faster on the older version. And then I guess other things we can do with Kidaroo, we can make him say like, let's just do yeah, I got my old voice back. My old voice back. Now I don't have to use the new version because it's stupid. Sure, let's just do that. So old Kidaroo, here we go.
Yay, I got my old voice back. Now I don't have to use the new version because it's stupid.
Essentially, you can definitely tell that that's older Kidaroo because of the way he says stupid. He doesn't emphasize the end of the word as opposed to the newer version of Kidaroo. So, and yeah, that's how you get the old voices. Very simple. Just got to use Flash themes just like that. So, hope this tutorial helped you guys. I hope you all have a blast using the older version of the voices. Have fun with it. And if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to let me know in the comments. And as I said earlier, if you happen to know who that user was that found the old voice packs, please let me know. I would like to give credit to them. Anyways, that's going to be it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.